So it's pretty clear you want to buy it. But hold your horses for just a moment and let me show you all the pros and the cons of this product. So please take a moment, watch this short video that I've prepared for you. Thank you.
Hey, what is up, you guys? This is Cam Jennings, aka Cam Fats, coming at you on behalf of EpicConversions.com and FatStacks. Guys, thank you so much for your interest in my product. Really quick, I just want to show you around the sales page, and I want to give you a tour inside the product of FatStacks itself, all right? So that being said, let's get into it. I'm excited to show you guys. So here we are on the sales page of FatStacks, right? Now, I tried to keep this really basic and really simple for you guys. Just a simple little page that just kind of shows you what you're going to get, right? Now, what if you could build, or what if you could grow, or what if you could have an email list, a blog, a podcast, and a membership site for free right now? And like, I didn't even put here, but I might add to this by the time you see the sales page, social media profile, because that is in there as well. Not only that, what if you could do all that stuff in one place, right? And it's growing fast, right? This place is growing really fast. What if you could gain instant access to over 11 million visitors a month, right? And what if none of this would cost you anything? It would be completely free. You could do it all in one place with no autoresponder. You didn't need hosting, a website, or any tech knowledge, right? And the fact of the matter is, what if it was really simple, you guys? What if it was so just drop dead simple? You don't need any tech knowledge. You don't need any experience. You don't need anything, right? It's so easy, and it consolidates all these valuable things that us real marketers use every single day, right? It's absolutely fantastic. That is what FatStacks is going to do for you, right? This FatStacks formula is absolutely, it's priceless. I mean, this is probably the best product that I've come out with in a long, long time. And I always try to put out good products, but this one is special. It takes the cake. All right. So let me just show you inside the actual PDF that is FatStacks, because if you guys know me, you know I like to deliver my products on PDFs. And the reason why is because I want the customers to have a good experience. I don't want a customer to buy something and then have to do all this logging in, and they're trying to find their login. They can't figure it out. And then they got to deal with like where they buy products, and like a year from now, they can't log in anymore because now that product vendor is gone or something. So now they can't get the product that they spent their hard-earned money on. That is not what I want, okay? I want a good customer experience, and I want you guys to be able to download this product. So I give you a PDF right off the bat, and there we go. There's the cover for FatStacks, the new online wealth formula nobody knows about. When you download this product, what you're going to be getting access to is you're going to be getting access to all of the videos, the mind map and the outline, the case studies, the FatStacks fee calculator, right? And the reason I say fee calculator is not because you're going to have to pay fees, right? It's because, you know how I mentioned on the sales page about a membership site all in one there? Well, that fee calculator is so you can calculate the fees that you would charge other people for your continuity program, okay? That's what that fee calculator is for. And then we got a bunch of bonuses in here. I'm not going to click on here because I don't want to reveal them, but there's 5 bonuses in here, plus other bonuses that my affiliates are probably going to be wanting to add as well. So there's going to be a lot. This little bonus section is going to be stacked by the time you guys see this. But all these modules talk about something different that's very, very important, all right? You just click on these links. You'll go right to the video, right? Now, what I will say is just a couple things. One, you can click on this. You can right-click this link, right-click, copy link address, come right over here to YTMP3. Come right over here to YTMP3. Okay? Paste this link address right in here, and boom. Right? And what you're going to see is you're going to see this thing. It says FatStacks Introduction. And what it's just loading the video. And what it's going to do, guys, is it's going to allow you to download all the videos for FatStacks. right? You're going to be able to download this entire course onto your hard drive. There are 10 videos in all. You can download the whole thing onto your hard drive within probably about 10 minutes, right? Now, I'm on my laptop right now, so my connection's a little slow, but there we go. Just download the video just like that. So why do I do that? Because I want you to have a good customer experience. I don't want you to have to worry about some kind of login. Let's say you buy FatStacks and you don't have time to get to it for like 6 months. Well, 6 months from now, I don't want you to have to worry about a login. I don't want you to have to worry about, my site being gone, even though it won't. It's been up since 2016, but still, I don't want you to have to worry about it, right? I want you to have your product. I want you to be able to, you bought it. You bought the product. I want you to be able to have it on your hard drive and do whatever you want with it. So that's what this is all about, okay? It's a great product. You're absolutely going to love it. It's going to help you tremendously. We got some related offers down here you can check out because I gave you some options when you buy FatStack. I also offer you some other things that might help, that I think will help you tremendously. Now, a lot of people don't pick me up on those offers. They don't take me up on those offers because they want to see what the original product is about. I am very confident that once you see what this product is about and what you're going to be getting, you're going to be interested in some of these related offers, all right? So those will be there for you to check out at your leisure. Then we just got some recommended resources down here. Of course, there's my email address. Then we got a nice little refund policy right here. And that's it. That's the whole kit and caboodle. That is FatStacks, you guys. And let me tell you something. Like, I don't usually say this, but I'm going to say it now. I am excited to put this thing out, right? I'm excited to put every product out, but this one is a different animal, right? This is something new. It's something different. It's, this is just one of those things that once you see it, you're going to be like, wow, this is cool. It's different. It's new. It's interesting. You're going to love it. I will see you inside FatStacks. Enjoy, you guys. Peace.
Cool, right? Click the link in the description for my price discounted special.